Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of online reselling and how you can transform thrift store finds and other items into a profitable online business. If you've ever wondered how to make money while shopping, this video is for you. Stick around as we guide you through the process. Chapter 1. What is online reselling? First things first, what exactly is online reselling? It's the art of buying items at a lower price and selling them at a profit through online platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Amazon. With the right strategies and a keen eye for valuable items, you can turn this hobby into a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time business. Chapter 2. Choosing your niche. Now, let's talk about niche selection. It's essential to decide what types of items you want to resell. This could be clothing, electronics, vintage items, collectibles, or even niche-specific products like sneakers. The key is to choose a niche that interests you and has a demand in the market. Chapter 3. Sourcing your inventory. The next step is sourcing your inventory. You can find items to resell at thrift stores, garage sales, estate sales, online marketplaces, or even clearance sections of retail stores. Keep an eye out for items that are undervalued and have potential resale value. Chapter 4. Assessing value and authenticity. Not everything you find will be a hidden gem. You'll need to develop the skills to assess the value and authenticity of items. Research, look for brand labels, check for defects, and ensure that what you're buying is genuine. Chapter 5. Setting the right price. Pricing is crucial. You'll want to set a competitive yet profitable price for your items. Consider factors like the condition of the item, market demand, and your costs to determine the right price point. Chapter 6. Selling platforms and listings. Choosing the right selling platform is essential. Each platform has its own audience and rules. Create detailed and attractive listings with high-quality photos and accurate descriptions to attract potential buyers. Chapter 7. Shipping and handling. Shipping and handling can be a challenge, but it's a vital part of the reselling process. Learn about shipping options, packaging, and how to calculate shipping costs to offer competitive rates to your customers. Chapter 8. Customer service and feedback. Customer service matters in the reselling business. Be responsive to inquiries, address any issues promptly, and encourage reviews and feedback. Positive reviews can boost your credibility and attract more buyers. Chapter 9. Scaling your reselling business. As you gain experience and build your reputation, consider scaling your reselling business by sourcing more inventory, expanding into new niches, or even hiring help to handle the workload. Conclusion. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to turn thrift store finds and other items into a profitable online business through reselling. Remember, success in reselling takes time and effort, but with practice and determination, you can turn this into a sustainable income source. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. If you have any questions or want to share your reselling experiences, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your reselling journey.